Hey guys, Riley here, and I'm going to be making a cheesecake for my mom. My mom's going to be filming it, so yeah, it's not like it's a surprise. 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sour cream, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and you can just buy it in an 8-ounce container. It's right there. And the tools you'll need is obviously a bowl, a fork, some teaspoons for this, and a cup for that. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop using Webkins here because it's going to be really hard to mix and use a Webkins at the same time. First thing you do is you have to soften your cream cheese. Just cut. Okay, and that should just kind of plop in there. My hands are washed. Whoop. You just I'm gonna cheat and use a beater because this is harder than I thought. So let's go get the beater. You set it on 1, and they're just kind of. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And cream it. I guess. Just do this until it's creamy.
Once you get everything mixed together, you want to use the beaters one last time.
What my mom said. Yummy. Alright, next what you do is you add your 1/3 cup of sugar. Mine's pre-measured. You just pour it in. So the next thing you do is you add the sour cream and the vanilla, and I think I'll do the vanilla first since it's easier. 2 teaspoons. That's a tablespoon. Teaspoon. This is a teaspoon. If you want to be just like her. So that's 1. Whoa. And 2. You add the sour cream. I've got this kind of sour cream, my utensils. You just use the whole thing. Okay. Stop. Okay. So you just put the whole thing in there and you mix. You're going to fold in your Cool Whip. Use the whole 8-ounce container, and you take a dollop out and you put it in there and you fold it. I have no idea how to fold, so I'm probably gonna mess this up.
One direction.
Yes, One Direction is a great band.
Okay, go ahead and put your next one in. And we'll do like 2 or 3 folds.
Okay, and put your next dollop in, and you fold it in. And you just basically do that with the whole thing. Now we're going to put this is what it should look like actually, into there. I'm gonna fill this dollop.
There you go.
And you smooth it out.
Don't smooth it out till you know it.
Okay. Just keep putting big.
You'll break it up the more you play with it.
Big dollops in there, different spots so it fills the whole thing.
Use another spoon to scrape it out of the spoon. Gently, just smooth it down.
Okay, that's basically what you do. Then you smooth it down, and you put it in the fridge for 4 hours.
Take it to the edges.
I keep getting crust in it.
It's okay.
Walking down the street and I knew it was free. Yeah.